Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the part 5 of the definition of corrosion. One part more to come. This definition on corrosion is taken from Science Direct. Corrosion is the deterioration of a material as a result of its interaction with its surroundings and can occur at any point or at any time during petroleum and natural gas processing. This definition is taken from the Web Princeton Azure. Corrosion is a general term used to describe various interactions between a material and its environment, leading to a degradation in the material properties. This definition taken from the web again, right, and states that the corrosion is a process of chemical erosion. This definition taken from the Reversal Dictionary that states corrosion is a process in which a solid, especially a metal, is eaten away and changed by a chemical action, as in the oxidation of iron in the presence of water by an electrolytic process. This definition taken from the Australian Corrosion Association, which states that the corrosion is the destruction or deterioration of a material because of reaction with its environment. Term can refer to a process or the damage caused by such a process. This definition taken again from the Australian Corrosion Association Foundation, which states that the corrosion is the destruction or deterioration of a material through reaction with its environment. This definition taken from the Oxford Dictionary, which states that the process of corroding or being corroded is a corrosion. This is taken from the Electrochemical Society, which states that corrosion is an all too common result of electrochemical reaction between materials and substances in the environment. This definition taken from the web again and that states corrosion is the process through which refined metals are converted into more stable compounds such as metal oxides, metal sulfides, or metal hydroxides. Second definition comes from the same source as the corrosion is a natural process that causes the transformation of pure metals to undesirable substances when they react with substances like water or air. Third definition from the same source is as the corrosion causes damage and disintegration of the metal starting from the portion of the metal exposed to the environment and spreading to the entire bulk of the metal. This definition taken from the Cambridge Dictionary that states that the corrosion is the process of corroding or metal that has been corroded. This definition taken from the Encyclopedia Britannica that states corrosion is the wearing away due to chemical reactions, mainly oxidation. This definition comes from the Collins Dictionary that states corrosion is the damage that is caused when something is corroded. This definition comes from the Free Dictionary that states corrosion is a process in which a solid, especially a metal, eaten away and changed by a chemical action, as in the oxidation of iron in the presence of water by an electrolytic process. Corrosion is slow deterioration by being eaten or worn away. Third definition from the same source is as the corrosion is the condition produced by or the product of corrosion. This definition comes from the Merriam-Webster Dictionary that states corrosion is the action, process, or effect of corroding. Second definition is corrosion is a product of corroding.